In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this mini embroidery hoop. To give the texture of cloth, I'm going to use watercolor paper, and using a circle punch, I'm cutting out a circle. I also grab something cylindrical that is a bit smaller than the circle size. This part is very important because to give the exact look of an embroidery hoop, we should have a little bit of the wooden rim in the inside and some that shows outside. So you always need to make sure that you grab something which is a little bit smaller than the size of the circle that you choose. Then I grabbed some ochre color quilling paper strips. These are 3 mm in width, and make a ring on the cylindrical shape that I chose. I'm going to use 2 strips of the paper because the thickness goes just right with it. And then once it is done, I'm going to flatten it up using my quilling tool. You can use anything cylindrical to roll over to make a structure really flat. And the next step is to add the circle cutout. Apply glue over the edges of the circle and then take it to the quilt piece and then stick it. Again, make sure that the rim is going to be a little bit inside of the circle and something that is showing outside, which is almost of the same thickness throughout the circle, so that it looks really neat. For the top part, I'm going to use a smaller strip of paper and make a tight ring that is smaller in size but thicker so that it is strong. The next step is to make a screw to put in. So I grab the paper strip again and cut it into 2 unequal halves. So one is like 1 mm in width and the other one is 2 mm. So with that 1 mm strip, I'm going to flatten it up and make a stronger strip. And for the head part of the screw, I'm using the other 2 mm wide strip and then keenly fold it to make the head of the screw. Don't make it too thick, but make sure it gives the right size for the screw size that you made. Now I'm going to add the top part, the tight ring that we made, and put it over the top part. When it is glued, the next we are going to put the screw through the hole. Use a little dot of glue to fix it. And now let's keep it to dry. When it is dry, I'm going to take some colors and then draw some beautiful designs like the embroidery over the embroidery hoop. Here I'm using 2 shades of pink and 2 shades of green so that it looks more nice. These brush pens are so nice to work on and they give beautiful look. And now the embroidery hoops are done. Hope you like it. Do subscribe us for more videos. Make sure to like the video and do let us know your views on this in the comments. Thanks for watching.